Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the mirror cube. Before learning how to solve the mirror cube, make sure you know how to solve the Rubik's. I've given the link of the Rubik's cube on the screen. It's also there in the description. I'm going to teach you how to solve the mirror cube the same way as the Rubik's cube. First I'm going to introduce the pieces to you. This is the middle piece. This is the edge piece. And this is the corner piece. Then this is face, right, left, down and up. So let me shuffle the cube. So first we have to find the lowest piece. This is the lowest piece. Then we have to bring the tall edge pieces to the lowest piece to make a daisy like this. The tall pieces are white and the short is yellow. I guess this one is yes. Then this one. And this one. Now we got the pieces like this. Next we have to match it like this. In the Rubik's cube it's color, but over here we have to check if it is flat. So this is flat, let's turn 2 times and get it down. The next one. This became flat, let's get it down. Then this one is also flat, let's get it down. And this is flat, let's get it down. Now we got a plus like this. Okay. Next we have to bring the corner pieces. So let's find the corner piece. This is one. Let's get it over here and turn the left up to check if it is flat. Yes, it is flat. Let's get it back down. It's in the left side, so let's do the left formula. Down, right, left, down, down, left, left, up. Now we got that piece correct. Let's find the next piece. Next piece is over here, so let's do the right formula and get it down. Down, left, right, down, down, right, right, up. Now we got that piece down. Let's check if it is matching. It is flat and it is matching, so it's in the right. So we have to do the right formula. Down, left, right, down, down, right, right, up. Now we got that piece correct. Then the next piece is over here. This one. No, it is this one, so let's get it down. It's in the right side, so let's do the right formula. Down, left, right, down, down, right, right, up. Now we got that piece down. Let's check if it is matching. It's not that piece. Let's find another one. It might be this one. Yeah, it is matching. So let's do the left formula because it's in the left side. Down, right, left, down, down, left, left, up. Now our first layer is completed. Okay, now let's do our second layer. In the Rubik's cube we have to match the color like this. In the mirror cube we have to check if it is flat. So let's get a piece that is flat. Okay, this piece is flat. In the Rubik's cube we can see the color on the top, it's blue, so it should go to the left. In the mirror cube we have to turn and check which side it goes to. It's flat to the left, so it should go to the left. Let's do the left formula. Up, right, left, up, left, left, down, up, left, face, right, up, right, face, left. Now we got that piece correct. Let's find the next piece. Okay, now this is flat and it should go to the right side because it's flat to the right. Let's do the right formula. Up, left, right, up, right, right, down, up, right, face, left, up, left, face, right. We got that piece also correct. Now the next piece. This is flat, but if it's not matching, it's the yellow side. Okay, no pieces are matching this side. Let's check the other side. So one piece is matching to this side, so let's turn it. It's to the left, so let's do the left formula. Up, left, up, right, left, up, left, left, down, up, left, face, right, up, right, face, left. So now we got that piece correct. Only one more piece left. Let's find it. Okay, this is flat, so it should go to the left side. It is matching. So let's do the left formula. Up, right, left, up, left, left, down, up, left, face, right, up, right, face, left. Now the second layer is complete. If you get the plus, you can skip this step and go to the next step. And if you get the L, you have to do the formula. And in the Rubik's Cube, we can see the yellow color L, but in this cube, it will be flat L. So let's keep it like this, one edge at the top and one edge at the left, and let's do the formula. Face, right, right, up, left, right, down, up, right, face, left. Now I got the line. Let's do the formula again. Face, right, right, up, left, right, down, up, right, face, left. Okay, now I got the plus. So next we have to get the edges matching like this. So for that also we have to check if it is flat. Only one side is flat. Let's turn it. Okay, now we have these two sides matching. So let's keep one at the back and one at the right and do this formula. Right, up, left, right, down, up, left, right, up 2 times, left, right, down, up, left, left. So now we got the plus and the edges matching. Next step is to place the corner pieces in the correct place. So this piece should come here, this piece should go here, and this piece should come here. So first let's get this piece over here. Let's keep that in the back right and do the formula. Up, left, right, up, right, left, up, left, right, down, up, right, left, down. Now we got that piece here, so let's get it over here. Do the formula again. Up, left, right, up, right, left, up, left, right, down, up, right, left, down. Now we got the pieces in the correct position. So next we have to twist the pieces. For that, let's do the formula. Right, down, down, left, right, up, down, right. Right, down, down, left, right, up, down, right. Now I got the corner piece correct. If you don't get it, just do the formula again. Let's take the next corner and do this formula. Right, down, down, left, right, up, down, right, right, down, down, left, right, up, down, right, right, down, down, left, right, up, down, right, right, down, down, left, right, up, down, right. And let's make this. Now the mirror cube is solved. Hope you could solve the mirror cube. If you have any trouble or any doubt, let me know it in the comments. I will definitely get back to you. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.